Hi, my name is Herman. I've worked for PRS Guitars for 13 years. I'm going to explain our truss rod system. First of all, our neck blank is pre-CNC from a rectangular blank to give you a rough shape like this and allow it to rest for a while to acclimate. Then we run a CNC cut, which we call stage 1, and if you can see, this is a slot within that neck blank, and that's what carries the truss rod. Our truss rod is custom made for us, and it's a special design. It actually is not designed just to straighten the neck or to totally reinforce it, but it adjusts the neck to avoid S-curves. And what you have are two reverse threaded nuts on a rod so that when you turn it one way it bows the neck up, and you turn it the opposite way it bows the neck down. So this rod was fit into this slot with the nuts in the two nut cavities. It's set in, and then we use a mahogany insert stick that's made to fit, and it's pressed in on this arbor press here, and we first apply glue to the stick to make it stay in. Once this is in the slot, it would look like this. This is then put in a pneumatic press here and left overnight to dry. And if you can see, it's like a fire hose, and it inflates, thus pressing it in and holding it in under a specific amount of pressure. Okay, the next day that is removed from the press, and we glue what we call ear blocks on. And then those are clamped with a regular clamp, looking like this, and that's left overnight to dry. The next morning that's taken out and back into the CNC machine, and you get what we call a stage 2 cut. And you can see you've got holes now, your headstock's starting to get refined, and a little heel area. Okay, from that we're ready to put a fretboard on. So actually, when the fretboard goes on, the back side of the neck looks like this. So the neck itself and the fretboard have matching pin holes, and we use 3 aluminum pins to align the fretboard so it doesn't move out of alignment. And we use an epoxy mixture here to glue the fretboard on, so it's a permanent glue on. This is then also put in the pneumatic clamp here and left for approximately 5 hours until the glue cures.